Hi everyone, Rob here with LRA Auto Museum and Sales, just taking a quick second to showcase another car that we're selling. This 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible that you see in front of us comes in stunning Cascade green. It's a manual transmission, completely numbers matching car. It's an NCRS Top Flight Award winner, a Duntove Award winner, and it's also Bloomington Gold. This car is a concourse level vehicle. It comes with the soft top and the hard top, has a factory radio delete, and has every piece of paperwork that comes with it. This car is impeccable. You can eat off it. Here, let's take a walk around. Look how clean the engine bay is. The interior is in fantastic, pristine shape. Like I said, you could really eat off this car. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any of the other vehicles we have for sale, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 215-781-3790. That is 215-781-3790. Look us up at Facebook at LRA Auto Museum and Sales or on our website, LRA Auto Sales. We will be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. We're here to help you. Have a great day. Bye.